Then Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu, when he was wandering in the forest of Bahulavan, he became completely absorbed in separation from Sri Krishna.
And sometimes Mahaprabhu, he was crying piteously. He would clasp hold of necks of the deer who were gazing at his lotus face with loving glances and tear-filled eyes. Parrots, cuckoos, and bees, they began singing in the fifth note. And peacocks danced before Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu, completely jubilant. The trees, the creepers, they covered themselves in buds, new leaves and flowers. And with their arm-like branches and twigs, they lovingly offered their flowers and fruits at the lotus feet of Sriman Mahaprabhu. Further, Sriman Mahaprabhu saw a female and a male parrot, Shuka and Sari and Shuka, sitting opposite to each other on two branches of a tree, lovingly quarreling about the glories of the divine couple, Sri Radha and Krishna. Shuka said, "My Krishna is Madan Mohan, the enchanter of the Cupid's mind."
Shari said, "Oh, yes, yes. Your Krishna is definitely Madan Mohana as long as my Radha is on his left side. If he is alone, he is only Madana. And my Radha is Madana Mohana Mohini. She is the enchanter of your Madan Mohan also."
Well, my Krishna, he lifted Giriraj on his finger, little finger of his left hand.
Oh, really? That's because my Radha transferred all her powers into him. Otherwise, how could he have lifted Govardhan Hill?
Well, my Krishna is the life of the whole universe.
Oh, really? My Radha is actually the life of that life of yours.
My Krishna's head is beautifully decorated with a peacock feather.
Do you know why? Only because my Radha's name is marked on that peacock feather. Radha. This name is there on the peacock feather. That's why your Krishna is wearing this peacock feather on his head, you know?
But the peacock feather on my Krishna's head leans to the left.
Aha! Do you know the reason why? The reason is because the peacock feather on your Krishna's head, it wants to bow down to my Radha's lotus feet.
All right, let's change the subject. My Krishna is the moon.
Aha! And my Radha is the trap that captures your Krishna.
There's no need to quarrel uselessly. Let us just glorify the youthful couple together.
Oh, yes, yes. I happily agree to this. Don't just fight with me because your Krishna is great. My Radha is Brajeshwari. She's the queen of your Krishna's Vrindavan.
So this was the loving quarrel between the two parrots, Shuka and Sari, that Sriman Mahaprabhu witnessed. And after hearing the parrots' loving quarrel, Sriman Mahaprabhu watched the dance of the peacocks, seeing their bluish necks. He remembered Krishna, who expertly dances like a peacock to please Sri Radhe. And Mahaprabhu became so overwhelmed in ecstatic love that he fainted and he fell down on the earth. Somehow he came back to consciousness And he continued his parikrama of Shri Brajadham.